Bitcoin Ether consolidate ahead of FOMC meet outcome. Coinbase offers multi-billion-dollar credit facility to Circle following SVB collapse. Core Scientific to send $20 million worth of mining equipment to settle payment dispute. Crypto exchange WazirX blacklist over 2,431 accounts. HCLTech launches service to help companies use Metaverse for customers. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Cryptocurrency markets rebounded on Wednesday as investors look forward to the Fed meeting outcome at the conclusion of its two-day policy meeting later in the day. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.3% at 37,950 points. The ongoing banking crisis showed signs of easing, with investors heartened by the increasing likelihood that the end of Fed policy tightening is near, analysts said. However, market participants believe that the US Federal Reserve will likely take a turn from the usual hawkish outlook and may even forecast a rate cut this year. The expectations boosted prospects of equities and crypto, enabling these risky assets to continue their rally. If the Federal Reserve decides to increase the interest rate, this will impact the overall market sentiment, as investors are anticipating a rate hike of 25 basis points. In case of no rate hike by the Fed, we can expect the upward trend to continue in the coming weeks. The global cryptocurrency market cap was trading lower, around $1.18 trillion, increasing 2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total crypto market volume decreased by 6% to stand at $63 billion. Risk appetite is rallying on optimism. The Fed is almost done with tightening, and that they will help prevent financial stability concerns from getting out of hand, an analyst with the Forex consultancy firm wrote in a note. Stock futures were trading lower as investors braced for the Federal Reserve's next move in its inflation-fighting rate hiking plan. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell 64 points or 0.19%. S&P 500 futures were also down 0.10%, while Nasdaq 100 futures were 0.29% lower. Bitcoin was trading at $28,136, up 0.3%. Bitcoin has surged more than 14% over the past 7 days and 69% so far this year. A global brokerage firm report noted that on a risk-adjusted basis, BTC outdid a range of securities, indices and commodity assets and is 2023's best performing asset. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was up by 2%, trading at $1,790. Solana Sol was up 1% and was trading at $22.2. Cardano's ADA token was up by 9% to trade at $0.37. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $17.3, higher 3%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.3% to trade at $1.1. Polygon and Ethereum scaling project and Immutable, a Web3 gaming blockchain project, are collaborating to launch Immutable ZK EVM, a Layer 2 blockchain network. The network intends to use ZK rollup technology for Ethereum app compatibility while operating independently of Immutable's existing StarkX-based Layer 2 chain ImmutableX. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 5% at $0.075. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading up by 3%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.45, up by 15%. Polkadot was up by 2.2% to trade at $6.3. However, BNB was down by 0.4% to trade at $332.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Following the chaotic collapse of Silicon Valley Bank earlier this month, Coinbase, an American publicly traded company that runs the same named centralized cryptocurrency exchange platform, attempted to play the role of the cryptocurrency white knight for Circle, the creator of the USDC stablecoin, by offering the latter a $3 billion credit line. Coinbase provided Circle with a lifeline when the markets were in upheaval as a result of depositors leaving SVB. This was an interesting move given that CEX was originally Circle's rival, even though they now jointly control and profit from the stablecoin USDC. Coinbase didn't only extend an immediate line of credit to Circle that would have guaranteed total liquidity of its USDC reserves following SVB's collapse Sunday, but also assured the stablecoin issuer that the stablecoin could be converted to US dollars by 20th March, Fortune reported, citing a person privy to the arrangement. The energy infrastructure company Priority Power was ordered to receive the mining equipment valued at about $20.8 million that Core Scientific must transfer by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Southern District of Texas. The parties were at odds over two Texas mining operations that were meant to provide Core Scientific with 1,000 megawatts of electricity. David Jones, the bankruptcy judge for Core Scientific, ordered the company to transfer more than $20 million in electrical equipment to PPM in order to end their dispute. PPM shall receive all of the debtor's interest, if any, in the machinery listed in Annexure A to this order on a free and clear basis in accordance with Section 363F of the Bankruptcy Code. Before validating any transactions from October of last year to March of 2023 that were deemed illegal, the cryptocurrency exchange WazirX claimed to have blacklisted more than 2,431 accounts. As many as 431 requests from law enforcement agencies were received, according to a report issued by WazirX on March 21st, against a total volume of $390 million in transactions on the platform during this time. 385 requests were from Indian LEAs, while 46 requests came from international LEAs, the report added. At this time, according to WazirX, there have been more than 396,126 user interactions. All of these requests related to account blocking, suspected illegal activity, investigations, and information from WazirX regarding whether the accused had traded cryptocurrency on our platform. The crypto exchange said it promptly provided all information as sought and added our compliance rate in record timeliness and accuracy was 100%. Apart from that, blocking of over 2,431 accounts was also initiated based on our internal transaction monitoring process and/or directives from the LEAs. On March 22nd, the IT services provider HCLTech unveiled a service that enables businesses to give customers an immersive, real-time experience of the Metaverse. Financial services, retail and consumer packaged goods, high-tech, telecom, manufacturing, life sciences and healthcare companies will all be served by HCLTech Metafinity. It is accessible on Salesforce, SAP and the Metaverse. The service provides Metaverse capabilities for business purposes using the Core Trust blockchain technology from HCLTech and the blockchain tokenization framework. Backend integrations for blockchain, cloud, data, and artificial intelligence are possible. According to the company, the service would aid in the building of a new virtual world that unites several digital technological disciplines under a single platform, including human interface, blockchain, NFTs, 3D content creation, etc. The platform is built on the HCLTech XR Studio platform based on Adobe's suite of marketing and web analytics products. It uses Adobe Target, Adobe Experience Manager, and Adobe Commerce to give marketers opportunities to reuse their marketing technology for brand messaging, personalized experiences, and campaigns, HCL said. Now let's go to Vishakha Thakur to get an update on the three buzzing stocks of the day.
Solana, which is currently one of the best performing cryptocurrencies, can be considered a recurring occurrence as the protocol has one of the most diverse ecosystem. Demand for Sol has been increasing as a result of its decentralized finance and non-fungible token ecosystem expanding quickly, which has contributed to its current growth boom. Solana has seen significant network instability recently, and as a result, its present positive outlook also stems from the stability it has had over the last few weeks. Touted as one of the most adaptable Layer 1 protocol, Solana aims to dethrone Ethereum as the preeminent hub for smart contracts. Solana hosted the now completed Grizzlython hackathon in an effort to jumpstart the development of the apps and smart contracts inside its ecosystem. The Grizzly-a-thon saw more than 800 projects submit ideas for consideration, making it the largest in the protocol's history. This remarkable growth potential has been labeled as a promising development to anticipate, since it may usher in a new era of creative solutions that will encourage greater adoption of the Solana protocol. Solana was trading at $22.36, up 1.41% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $8 billion. Conflux's on-the-year gains stand at around 1,700%, and observers are unsurprisingly asking whether whales are buying and pumping the move. That certainly could be the case. The cryptocurrency's staggering run this year comes amid hopes that Conflux will be a beneficiary of China's perceived pivot back towards crypto. The crypto project has been developing partnerships with a number of enterprises in the region and is viewed by some as the most likely blockchain candidate to meet regulatory requirements there. These partnerships include with Little Red Book, which is China's Instagram equivalent, whose 180 million users will now be able to display Conflux-based NFTs on their profiles, and with China Telecom. CFX was trading at $0.4081, up 4.44% in the last 24 hours, with market capitalization of $1 billion. In a surprising move, the Shiba Inu community has conducted a massive burn event, eliminating a record-breaking 758.95 million SHIB from circulation through 9 separate transactions within 24 hours. The newly launched token primarily led the burn. Koyo token, which executed the most significant transaction of the day by transferring 733.02 million SHIB to the dead wallet around 12 hours ago from press time. This burn event marks the largest transaction of the week. In the previous week, Koyo burned a record SHIB on March 17th by destroying 924.15 million coins in a single transaction. As per data provided by Etherscan.io, Koyo has burned a humongous 5.36 billion SHIB since March 10th through multiple transactions. The massive burn transactions had caused Shiba Inu's burn rate to skyrocket by 462.53% over the past day, when only 11.11 million SHIB were destroyed through 9 transactions. Shiba Inu was trading 4.19% up in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $6 billion.
Thank you, Vishaka. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.2 TV. Have a great day.